Hey, what up, guys? It's Jordan here at Ultimate. I'm on the Mango Maddies side, soon to be called New and Improved Ultimate Grill. We added to our menu. Kind of want to get on here today and let you guys know about our new menu. So on top of our delicious shakes, our wraps, our salads, our refreshers, we added our protein bowls, low carb bowls. So I'm gonna give you guys a little secret on how I do my bowl today. Go ahead and watch it out, let you guys know what kind of options you guys got. All right, guys. So once you start on the line, you can either pick a bowl or a wrap, okay? First option, first step is gonna be either white or brown rice, or you don't have to do any, right? So today I'm gonna go ahead and pick some white rice, okay? So this is what I do for my bowls. For white rice, you got step two, second option, black or pinto beans. Again, you don't have to if you're doing a low carb option. You could go half a cup, quarter cup on the rice. You can skip the beans or load it up. So depending on what your goals are, what you're trying to do, what kind of energy you need, if you're trying to lose weight, if you're trying to gain, that's gonna base your portion on what you're wanting to take. So I'm gonna go ahead and go with pinto beans on mine. Okay, third step is either chicken or steak. I'm having a hard option on what to pick today. I'm liking both. So I'm gonna do half and half. So you got that option. Again, you can do double protein. I'm gonna go ahead and do half and half here. Steak. Cool. Then from there, this is the fun part. You got your add-ins. We got pico de gallo, guac, sour cream cheese, red or green salsa. So today I'm gonna add on my bowl. We're gonna go ahead and do some guac, pico de gallo. I'm gonna do some cheese on mine. And then today I'm gonna go with the Christmas. I'm gonna do half red. And I'm gonna do half green. Boom, guys, you can throw a little salad. We got fajita, saute fajita. We got, you can add salad on top. Again, if you don't want your carbs, we could go with the salad we can put, then you can put your proteins on top. Check out my bowl, guys. Gains. Cool, guys. Again, come check this out. Mango Maddies, soon to be Ultimate Grill, 720 East Florida. Hope to see you guys here.